Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with Target Trading Academy with your Micros Market Recap. Today is Tuesday, February 1st. It is 4:30 p.m. Eastern. Let's get right into it with micro oil. Oil opened gap up from, wrong market I was thinking of. I was thinking of the equities. Oil opened in balance, I should say, pretty close to the close, but below the close. We met the open with some selling. They found a floor and did not come back to it. They set that target and they drove the price higher. We had several entries from students who took this level here based off of our methodologies, our levels that we give our students each night based off of our parameters. Monster winner for them. Another entry here for them. Several entries after that towards the close as well. But we finished just ever so slightly up from yesterday's close. So not by much progress in terms of if you're looking at close to close price action from one day to the next. Gold. Gold opened gap up and had a quick move down towards the close. Not quite reaching it, met by the resistance that we have marked, or support and resistance we have marked based off of our high volume areas and our methodologies, and had a nice large bounce off that, only to come back and not make it again. But we still have yet to fill a void in the market from when we opened way gap down. I don't remember how many days ago. So it's anyone's game of where they want to take the market this week or coming days. Now our equities, as I stated, the micro ES here did open gap up. We had quite a bit of price action today. Met a floor that they did not want to get through, and the buyers kicked in. So like I said, we opened gap up, comparing this open to where we closed. Drove down into the body from yesterday's range where we met a buyer. Had a little bit of a sideways action before that heavy selling kicked in. And you can see we just got tons of selling action. We had some news come out around 10. Several entries of support, again, based off of our HVA levels. I just want to point that one out. You'll see we made one run up, and then we had a lot of selling that came down, and then eventually, after hours of this choppiness between this range, they finally broke on the positive side, and those buyers just started melting the market up. And that's where we ended today, on a net positive. So it looks like we're getting back to normal in terms of how the market's been responding. Remember, market changes all the time. The definition of normal changes all the time, but this is what we've been used to for the greater part of last year, was this melting up. So let's get into the micro Nasdaq. Similar story. We just opened. Let me get back here. Just opened gap up, made a run down, huge run in the Nasdaq. That was a monster move that we have set for a trending entry that our advanced students are able to learn. Several of them took it. I believe Roman took it. So if you watch those win-loss videos, you might see that one there. But several more entries to go short based off of our levels, and it just drove down. And much like the ES, the micro Nasdaq found a floor, and they did not look back. Sorry, it was lower. I knew it was lower, but that was it right there, around 10 o'clock, and just drove it through that price action. Again, sideways movement. Monster move here that several students caught as well. Again, based off of our HVA levels that we give them the night before. And it hit there a couple times, and then again, that sideways action. And retest of the bottom. It never made it to the bottom. That support holding. Where's these coming from? You guys got to just see it for yourselves. And then it just had that buying action, and it just swept up there. Boom. You can see that as the chart refreshes. Ton of buying. Look at the size of these bars. 29. That's almost 30-point bar at that close position there. But that's the volatility of the overnight as they're closing out. Again, though, if you're interested in finding out more information about these HVA levels, high volume areas as we call them, that we give our students out the night before, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us online on Facebook or our website at targettradingacademy.com. Reach out to a representative and you'll quickly see why we have so many live profitable students in our rooms and why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you.